Second trend. It's not a trend. Well, it's a trend. It's really a color, brown. What do I mean? I'm talking about brownouts. We say in the electricity business that like keeping the load stable is like keeping a swimming pool full to like a millimeter. And just look around your own room right now and count the number of things that are plugged into an electrical outlet. No joke. I really want you to do this. I'm going to do it too. So just take a moment, look around your room, count how many things are plugged into an electrical outlet. I can see six. How many of you have? Do you have more? Anybody have more than six? 8? Okay, Rose, 10 things. Okay. Now I want you to imagine that you wake up tomorrow morning and you go to hit the lights in the bathroom and the lights don't go on. You're like, well, that's weird. Maybe we blew a flute. You go into the kitchen, no coffee pot. Now we're at crisis proportions. Your phone's not charged. This is what we're facing in the near term. So check this out. You want to see a hockey stick? Take a look at this. This is today, y'all, 2023. This is the amount of electricity that different organizations are estimating that we will need through 2048. And the truth is, we don't have the capacity to meet the demand. So the grid, can you almost feel it creaking underneath the weight of more EVs, more electronics? The way that we're heating our homes is changing, maybe from natural gas to electrification. And this doesn't even include the amount of compute, which is the amount of power needed to generate all the algorithms and AI that people are currently using. So one of the top 10 trends for the next 10 years is brown, as in brownouts.